Timu ya bũrũri ya mũbira wa magũrũ Harambee Stars nĩmekire meharĩria mao ma mũico mbere ya kũmenyana timu ya Uganda Cranes mũthenya wa rũciũ. Kũringana na mũgwimi kaboca wa bao Michael Lunga na ũrĩa ũthakagĩra kĩrabu kĩa Al Duhail nĩ agathĩrĩirie nyabara wa ihinda rĩrĩ Ghost Mulee akiuga athaki nĩ macanjamũkĩte mbere ya ngucanio ici.
Feels good to come back, to represent Kenya. It's always an honor, first of all, and to be selected, to lead this wonderful group. It's an amazing feeling, and we know we are here for a reason, and we have to start our campaign well. We are going to play at home, so we have to try and play good football. We have to try and go for maximum points.
We know what is ahead. We respect Uganda a lot, and we know that head-to-head they have an advantage over Kenya, but that is history. Tomorrow we also have an opportunity for us to start rewriting our own history.
Mwena-inĩ wake Richard Odada na ũrĩa ũthakagĩra kĩrabu kĩa Red Star Belgrade kuma bũrũri-inĩ wa Serbia ndanahitha gĩkeno gĩake na nĩ thutha wa gũcagũrwo kwa rita rĩa mbere arĩ ta mũthaki wa gatagatĩ.
It's a great honor, representing my country, and I'm very happy. I'm not special that much, but I'm so happy. A lot of players, they wanted to have this kind of opportunity, but they didn't get it. So I really appreciate it, and I'm here to give my best. UG, it's a good team. We are also very good, so I'm here to give my best, and the boys will also give their best, and we are going to get results.
Kocha Jacob Ghost Mulee na ũrĩa ũratongoria Harambee Stars kwa rita rĩa gatano arĩ na nyota mũnene wa gũtirũkia Kenya thĩinĩ wa mbĩtĩka cia gĩkombe gĩa thĩ gũkũ agĩkĩrĩra mwĩhoko athaki ake.
Both coaches are players that are going to represent them. I think we'll see in 90 minutes. I respect Mitchell. He's a top coach in Africa. He was coaching in South Africa. He's been in the Cup of Nations. He was with Zambia. So he brings a big CV. However, we will try to see how to handle his big CV against Kenya.
Thutha wa ngucanio ya mũthenya wa rũciũ na imwana cia Uganda arĩa nao mekĩire meharĩria mao ma mũico hwaĩ-inĩ wa ũmũthĩ kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Nyayo, Stars magacemania na Rwanda mũthenya wa Kiumia.
Message to my fellow Ugandans is that we need their support, we need their prayers. Wherever they are, they need to pray for us, and for us, we're ready to fight for them and make sure we get the best results possible tomorrow.
Details that are determining. In that regard, respecting Coach Jacob Mulee, respect the players of Kenya, but much more than anything else, self-respect to ourselves, to our captain Emmanuel Okwi and the rest of the players.